Welcome to Research Hub.
What if you could create a full, beautifully designed, and completely editable presentation of your work? Whether it's just a few notes, a strategic report, or a full research papers in literally minutes right inside ChatGPT. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. And we're going to do this through ChatGPT Apps. And these are built-in connections that let ChatGPT work directly with tools like Canva, Google Drive, and many more. So you can now create things, full presentations, visuals, even small projects, all without leaving the chat. So here's what we're going to do. Go to Profile and click on Settings, then Apps and Connectors. And under Browse Apps, you will see Canva. So click on it, then click Connect, then click on Continue to Canva and then Allow. So now we are connected to Canva, and that means you can create your slides directly inside ChatGPT. Next, we'll ask ChatGPT to create the content for our slides. You can add your own points, upload your strategic report, your research paper, or any content you want to turn into a presentation. In our example, I'm going to use my strategic report, Strategic Digital Transformation, a results-driven approach. So I'm going to upload it here. Now we'll start by asking ChatGPT to plan the slide structure. Here's the exact prompt you can use. Create a clear and structured presentation outline based on the following content. You then need to paste your notes, summary, or report topic here. So in my case, I'm adding the title Strategic Digital Transformation, a results-driven approach. Include logical sections based on the report. Keep the flow concise and engaging, suitable for academics, executive, and general audiences. So I'm going to choose executive for this one. I will also add here, make it a maximum of 10 slides. Once you run that, GPT instantly breaks everything into clear, logical slides. It starts with a title and overview, then moves into the why, setting up the purpose and direction of the presentation. It builds naturally from context to action to results, keeping a clear progression throughout. Now that we have the structure ready, it's time to design the presentation with the Canva app. So we are going to add this prompt, use the Canva app to create a full presentation based on the outline above. Apply a clean, professional design. Keep the layout minimal, suitable for business executives. Once you enter that, ChatGPT calls Canva automatically, as you can see it here, connecting to Canva app. And within minutes, you'll see it generate beautiful presentation options right here in the chat, and you can preview them, choose the one you like. So let's see the different options it has come back with. I'm going to preview them here so we can see how amazing the different designs are, and then just click View. In Canva, open it fully. You'll see the entire presentation ready to edit, beautifully formatted and completely customizable. Each slide is fully editable. You can adjust the text, change the images, or drop in your real data where the placeholders are. You can also tweak the layout, swap fonts, or move elements around to match your style. Everything stays linked to your Canva account, so you can continue editing, sharing, or downloading your slides exactly the same way you would with any Canva project. It's fast, simple, and gives you a professional result in minutes. So basically, ChatGPT handled the structure, Canva handled the design, and together they turned a written report into a fully editable, professional presentation in just a few minutes. What I love about this workflow is that it's flexible. You can start with a few notes to research papers or even a full strategic report, and ChatGPT instantly transforms it into something visual, clear, and ready to present. It's quick, it's creative, and it saves so much time when you need to prepare a beautiful, polished presentation fast.
Don't forget like, share, and subscribe my channel.